Hello everyone. We are from Group 3, would like to present for the group project on evaluation and enhancement of road safety features.
This is our team member for this group project. From the left, Amri Nadzman, MUHAMAD HAZIM, MUHAMAD AFIF, and lastly, MUHAMAD AQIL. So, there are 3 objectives for this group project. Firstly, to determine the skid resistance value through skid resistance test. Secondly, to determine the surface texture of pavement through the sand patch test. Lastly, to determine the surface drainage characteristic of pavement through the outflow meter test.
The skid resistance test was done on smooth, medium, and coarse surfaces in wet and dry conditions. Smooth and wet surfaces had the lowest skid resistance, making them unsafe. Medium surfaces performed better, and coarse surfaces are expected to perform best due to their rough texture. Standards require a minimum BPN of 40 JKR or 30 ASHTO for safe wet conditions. Our test showed a BPN of 20 for smooth and wet surfaces, below the safety standard. Other surfaces met the standards, making them safe overall, except for smooth and wet conditions.
The surface texture depth test followed ASTM E965 and BS 598-105 standards to assess smooth, medium, and coarse road surfaces. Sand patch diameters averaged 23.30 centimeters, smooth, 17.70 centimeters, medium, and 14.30 centimeters, coarse, showing smooth surfaces had the lowest macro texture depth and skid resistance, especially in wet conditions. Standards recommend a minimum macro texture depth of 0.5 mm for safety, but all surfaces failed to meet this requirement, indicating a risk of slipperiness in wet weather.
The drainage efficiency test checked how well road surfaces drain water. Efficient drainage prevents flooding and improves safety. The test showed faster drainage on rougher surfaces, with times of 131.75 seconds, smooth, 8.21 seconds, medium, and 6.83 seconds, rough. All surfaces met JKR and AASHTO standards, which require water to drain within minutes or 15 minutes, ensuring safe and effective drainage.
The study assessed pavement characteristics to evaluate its safety and performance. The skid resistance test measured friction, crucial for road safety. The sand patch test analyzed surface texture, which affects stability and skid resistance. The outflow meter test evaluated drainage efficiency to prevent water pooling and hydroplaning. Together, these tests confirm the pavement's suitability for safe and efficient use under different conditions.